Let's make the best Caesar salad of your life with lettuce fresh from my garden, my homemade creamy Caesar dressing, and buttery croutons. My indoor garden is still thriving. I love that I can grow so much in the middle of winter. I'm using this red romaine. It's fresh and more nutrient dense. Did you know store-bought produce can lose up to 40% of its nutritional value by the time you eat it? Plus, the taste is unmatched. For the croutons, finely cube sourdough bread and transfer it to a rim baking sheet. Combine melted butter, olive oil, garlic powder, and dried parsley, then drizzle over the croutons. Bake until crispy and golden brown. For the dressing, combine avocado oil, 1 egg, anchovy paste, Dijon mustard, garlic, lemon juice, Parmesan cheese, and black pepper. Emulsify with your immersion blender, then thin with milk. This tastes so much better than store-bought dressing. You'll never buy it from a store again. Top this gorgeous romaine lettuce with the homemade dressing, toss, and transfer to a plate. I love to top it with some cooked chicken breast, some chopped cherry tomatoes, fresh Parmesan cheese, fresh pepper, and my favorite part, the crispy, crunchy, buttery croutons. This salad is so good. You're gonna be thinking about it the moment you wake up in the morning. The lettuce is so tender and flavorful. The dressing is creamy and tangy, and those buttery croutons are gonna change your life.